welcome back! Happy Islanders mga padabat! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Catanduanes. You are watching the Padadyaw sa Tinampo 2025. This is Pantomina dance contest among the municipalities of Catanduanes. We have 11 municipalities and 10 among the 11 municipalities are competing for this year's championship. This is Pantomina or Padadyaw sa Tinampo 2025 in celebration of Catanduanes Foundation anniversary. We are on our 80th year celebrating the foundation anniversary. So this is Municipality of San Andres. San Andres, all the best. 3-time champion ng Padadyaw sa Tinampo. This is San Andres and we are watching again through Happy Islander TV. Go ahead and follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. We have a different style in costume. So mga nakita nyo kanina, this is way different from other costumes. Municipality of San Andres is also very competitive when it comes to Padadyaw sa Tinampo contest. Sa mga ka-tune in pa lang po, again, this is the 80th founding anniversary, 80th Catanduanes Foundation anniversary, and today is September 26. You are watching the performance of the Municipality of San Andres here in Padadyaw sa Tinampo Pantomina dance contest. As what we have discussed a while ago, and the Pantomina ng Catanduanes, it interprets or mimics the courtship of a rooster to a hen. competitive performance of San Andres. All the best. Grabe, iba talaga performance ng San Andres. Alright guys, we're moving on to the last contingent. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag sa atin, hindi pa nakakapag-follow, go ahead and follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. San Andres, all the best!